What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you recall, in one of these videos, maybe in the last video, I said that I was going to take the old Honda Civic to the shop to get it worked on because I did not have enough time to do it myself. Well, as you can see, the car is still sitting here. Why is it still sitting here? Because I was going to do it, but then I did not do it. Had it set up and planned, had called AAA to tow it over there because I didn't know how much fluid was in the transmission. It's like 45 minutes away. AAA kept delaying. It was supposed to be in here like an hour past. Then they said it was 2 hours. The next thing I know, it's going to be 2 hours before they even come. And by that time, where the shop is located, traffic was going to be horrific. And I did not feel like going way over there and having to come way back right during. And it was kind of warm outside, and I was going to drive the vet. And right now it's not doing too well in heat. So I did not do it. But what I did do was decided that I'm just going to have to break down and do it myself. Quit being a little old and do it myself. So what I ended up doing was ordering the parts off of eBay from Synchrotech or whatever it's called. They usually make like the gears and stuff, carbon synchros and whatnot. So right now I just got it yesterday. So we're gonna open it up and see what these things are like. I had already bought these axle seals before, but I have no idea what I did with the package. So I gotta ensure that I do not lose these. Look what it came with. You know we're gonna put this on the car somewhere. We are gonna put this on the car, probably right above the scat symbol. Let's do that now. Yes, yes. Let's put this bad boy on there. Why not? That's a good thing about having like a project car, because you can do stupid stuff that you wouldn't normally do to your regular car, and it's okay. It is okay. So let's pull this off and let's put it right there. Synchrotech. So when people see this sticker, they're gonna know I am for real. I am not playing. Where did my paper go to? Let me get the squeegee. Well, I have no idea where my squeegee is, so we're just gonna use this. It's doing a good job too. Get those bowls out, get it nice and smooth. Everybody loves a good decal, and why not? Normally I always took the idea of if they're not sponsoring me, I'm not using their stickers. But in this particular case, as you can see, I'm not sponsored, but I'm still using their sticker. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program. Let's take a look at these seals. This is a very exciting video. So in this particular kit, it comes with the seals, because I think my linkage seal is leaking too. So we're gonna replace that. I think that's what this is for. Only one axle seal is leaking, but we got two of them. And I kind of feel like if I'm gonna go this far, we're pulling out that whole suspension, the axles, just to put these seals back on. I almost didn't really want to just pull the entire transmission out, seal it back up, and put the seals in there at the same time. Because I know that the transmission is leaking too a little bit on the edge. So we're gonna have to really think about that. Because taking the axles out is really one of the most time-consuming parts. And I need to get a starter for this car as well, because I'm still having issues with the battery. I don't know if it's the battery now or the starter, but I still have to boost it. Even after putting this battery on the charger for hours and it charged up, I still have to boost it for some reason. So I don't know if the starter is going bad because I dropped it, put it together before, but I think I'm going to pull that starter and just get a new one to be on the safe side. But long story short, car didn't go to the shop, not getting dyno tuned. I'm just gonna fix these issues myself when I have time. Nothing is real urgent anyway, but you know, it needs to be done. So that's what I am going to do. And it really shouldn't take that long. I've already had these axles and stuff out twice and I've done it. So I'm not really concerned about it taking a long time and whatnot. I just really need to do it. Ooh, I like that angle right there. And these seals were so inexpensive. Why not? I'm just gonna do it, because even if I don't resell the transmission, this is going to help a lot. I just gotta make sure I remember where I'm putting these. So I'm going to record it on the video that I'm putting these seals right down there. Because what's gonna happen is I'm gonna come back and look for these, or I'm not gonna remember where I put these seals, but I know I can come back to this video and figure out where I put them. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this. I'm not doing it now because it's Sunday and I'm not fixing to do that now. But what I am fixing to do, I don't know, I may take the car for a spin. I don't know, maybe, maybe not. More than likely not. Anyway, this your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe.